guys, that this new preacher is slashing, and as always, we'll shade things up because we're leaving Nomsa this happy and Prasole this stressed. So let us talk about that and more in this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Nomsa's new Ben 10 love interest. I don't even know what to call him as of yet, but his name is Job, and ever since this guy arrived, everyone is worried because Nomsa is not acting like her normal self anymore. And teasers of his enemy show us that Nomsa will start falling for this guy, which is a sign that, my guy, once you start laughing like this, you should know that you're at a verge of losing her. And that is exactly how Prasole felt after finding out that he has a very tough competition. He then tried so hard to warn Nomsa about the guy, but Nomsa was not willing to listen. There's even this clip that I saw on Facebook where Jobe gets very touched with Nomsa at the tavern. There's also this one where he buys flowers for Nomsa and gives them to her in front of Tenjo, and you can see from Tenjo's looks that she's not really happy about this guy. So Jobe comes to the show as this church-loving guy, and even that was his plot of attracting Nomsa's attention because in his first appearance, he preaches in church, and that didn't sit well with Nomsa. Nomsa was angry that a stranger came and preached in her church. Even worse, he preached and convinced everyone that he was better than Nomsa. Nomsa then was fuming with anger. She then expressed how unhappy she is, and that is how this guy got closer to her. I also read an article on Facebook that stated that this Jobe guy is a scam. He's a lunatic who's wanted by the police. The article further states that Nomsa is not his first case. That is what he does. He goes around attracting older women and kills them when he's done with them. But don't take my word on this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is not on the teasers of Isitha the enemy, so I don't really know whether these news are true or not. But I wouldn't disagree because the way this Jobe guy moves is very suspicious. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.